Welcome to the future of space exploration. In the grey plains of Mare Imbrium, a new industrial revolution is quietly beginning right beneath our feet. We are exploring the 2026 economic case for lunar gold. It is not just about jewelry, it is about the very foundation of space-based industry. The cost of lifting heavy metals from Earth is astronomical. To build the infrastructure of tomorrow, we must find our resources directly in the lunar soil. Gold is the nervous system of modern electronics. Its conductivity and resistance to corrosion make it indispensable for high-performance quantum computing and satellite arrays. By sourcing gold on the moon, we eliminate the need for expensive rocket launches, creating a self-sustaining cycle for the growing off-world orbital economy. But this treasure is hidden within the regolith, a chaotic mixture of crushed rock and dust that behaves unlike anything we find on Earth. We are shifting our focus from why we need these materials to how we can extract them from this seemingly desolate and grey lunar wasteland. The challenge is immense. Gold exists in trace amounts, locked inside a material that is notorious for being difficult to handle and process. Lunar dust is sharp, abrasive, and lethal to machinery. It acts like glass shards, eroding metal surfaces and clogging up even the most advanced joints. Constant solar radiation charges these particles, creating a powerful electrostatic bond that makes the dust stick to everything it touches with incredible force. This electrostatic adhesion turns simple mineral separation into a technical nightmare. Traditional sieving methods used on Earth simply do not work in this environment. Engineers have watched helplessly as robots fail. The dust acts as both a glue and a sandpaper, destroying precision components in a matter of days. In the moon's weak gravity, materials don't settle as they do on Earth. Standard weight-based sorting is useless when particles float and stick unpredictably. We need a mechanical solution that uses the fundamental laws of physics to break the bond between the waste and the precious gold particles. The answer lies in high-velocity centrifugal force. By creating artificial gravity, we can overcome the problems of the lunar environment and start extraction. This centrifuge is a masterpiece of engineering designed to operate in a total vacuum to eliminate air resistance and maximize rotational speed. As the machine accelerates, it generates tens of Gs. This immense pressure forces the heavier gold isotopes to separate from the lighter silicate waste. Raw regolith is fed into the heart of the machine. Under high velocity, the physics of mass takes over, defying the static cling of the dust. The heavier gold atoms have more momentum. They are pushed outward with more force, creating a distinct layer against the hardened titanium walls. Magnetic rollers ensure the system remains perfectly balanced. Even a tiny wobble at these speeds could cause the entire facility to tear itself apart. Speed is our greatest ally. In the vacuum of space, we can reach velocities impossible on Earth, achieving separation precision never seen before. Precision is the difference between success and catastrophe. We must maintain perfect synchronization to keep the gold from mixing back with the lunar soil. Look at the perfect stratification. The lightest dust stays near the center, while the dense gold forms a brilliant, concentrated ring at the edge. Active cooling is vital. Without it, the friction between the particles would generate enough heat to melt the dust into useless volcanic glass. Once the separation is complete, automated arms harvest the gold. This is pure, industrial-grade material, ready for immediate use in high-tech manufacturing. We are not just collecting dust, we are harvesting the building blocks of a new civilization. This gold is the currency of the stars. Laboratory tests confirm a purity of 99.9%. This is high enough to go straight into the production lines of advanced microchips. This enables a closed-loop manufacturing system. We mine, refine, and build everything we need without ever looking back at Earth's supply chain. This is only the beginning. We are scaling from experimental labs to a massive industrial network across the moon's South Pole region. As we master our own resources, the moon becomes a sovereign economic entity, no longer dependent on the gravity well of our home planet. The moon is no longer just a destination, it is a launch pad. From here, humanity will reach further into the deep solar system than ever. The dawn of the space economy is here. We have turned the most hostile dust in the universe into our most valuable asset. The bricks of our future are being laid today. Join us as we continue to push the boundaries of what is possible in the void. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Future Factory Lab for more updates on the technologies shaping our future in space. Thank you for watching. The journey to the stars has just begun. See you in the next episode of our Space Odyssey. Every rotation brings us closer to a future where space is our home, and its riches are within our grasp for everyone. The purity of lunar gold ensures that our technology remains reliable in the harsh radiation of deep space, protecting our digital infrastructure. From the dust of the moon to the circuits of our ships, we are weaving a new story for the human race among the stars. The materials we use to build our machines are as tough as the moon itself, designed to survive the most extreme mining conditions. What started as a small experiment is now a massive industrial complex, proving that human ingenuity knows no bounds or planetary limits. In every handful of dust, there is a promise of wealth and progress. We just had to find the right way to unlock it. Logistics in a vacuum require perfect automation. These robots work 24/7, ensuring the refinery never stops its vital work for our colony. Standing here, you can feel the vibration of progress. It is the heartbeat of a new world being born from the lunar soil. Physics doesn't change, but how we use it does. By mastering gravity, we have mastered the moon's most stubborn and difficult materials. Success is a team effort. Thousands of hours of research have led to this moment of triumph for the entire human species on the moon. The stars are no longer distant lights, they are our neighbors, and the moon is the front porch of our new cosmic neighborhood. Stability is key. In the silence of the vacuum, our machines must perform with a level of perfection that Earthside factories rarely achieve. Every adjustment is critical. We are fine-tuning the process to maximize every milligram of gold recovered from the harsh lunar regolith. Additive manufacturing in space changes everything. We can now print the components of our future directly where they are needed most. These tracks are the paths of progress. They represent the tireless work of a generation dedicated to expanding the reach of mankind. We are digging deeper into the moon's history. Each layer of soil tells a story of ancient impacts and the hidden treasures they left behind. From the mundane to the magnificent, this transformation is the result of applying the purest physics to the harshest environmental challenges. Life and industry go hand in hand. The wealth from our mines funds the air we breathe and the food we grow on this world. The machines breathe, just like we do. Managing heat in a vacuum is a constant dance of engineering and thermodynamic balance. We are already designing the next generation. Larger, faster, and more efficient machines will soon dominate the lunar industrial landscape. Every detail matters. Even in space, quality and craftsmanship remain the hallmarks of human achievement and our drive for excellence. Material transport is handled by magnets. This avoids the wear and tear of mechanical belts, keeping the system running for decades without failure. The Earth's economy is feeling the ripple effect. Lunar gold is stabilizing markets and fueling a global surge in high-tech research. Through the visor of our pioneers, we see a world of fire and metal, working together to forge a path to the outer planets. This gold will eventually reach Mars. It'll be the shielding for the first human habitats on the Red Planet, protecting against radiation. Its applications are endless. From shielding to mirrors, gold is the most versatile tool in our celestial construction kit. We are building our own power. By using lunar resources, we ensure that our industrial heart never stops beating, even during the long nights. The unique environment of the moon allows us to create materials that are physically impossible to manufacture on Earth. We are marking our place in history. Every ingot produced is a testament to the fact that humanity has become a multiplanetary species. Looking out, you see more than just rocks. You see a frontier that is being tamed, one centrifuge cycle at a time. The dream of autonomy is becoming a reality. The resources we gather here give us the freedom to explore the entire solar system. It is a symphony of motion and purpose, a coordinated effort involving thousands of people and millions of lines of code. We are building this for the next generation. They will grow up on worlds we could only dream of visiting in our youth. Our reach is expanding. With lunar gold, our telescopes will look deeper into the past of the universe than ever before. The people behind the machines are the true pioneers. Their courage and skill make the impossible happen every single day. The moon is the hub. It is the center of a new web of trade and exploration that will define the 21st century. We remember where we started. Every giant leap begins with a single, small step into the unknown and the difficult. The grey world is becoming a bright one. We are lighting up the darkness with the fire of industry and the light of knowledge. The work never truly ends. It is a constant journey of discovery and refinement as we push further into the great cosmic frontier. The space economy is here. This was our story of lunar gold. Thank you for being part of this incredible journey with us.